Whoa, grinding till I get a mill. All I want is dollar bills. Stacking higher than some hills. Messing with my cake probably get you killed.
Funny!
I see how views up in there. Jeez, bro. She's trying to get a picture.
You got it. No. Well, you can kind of see it.
I know y'all see that, man. He's just chilling too.
Oh, there goes another one.
There's two?
They just flew right into it. No, that mom.
Oh, that's food. We're trying to get some dinner too. Hey, but you looking kind of good today, girl. Yeah, fun. You love me or whatever?
Huh?
You love me or whatever?
Yeah.
Why you say it like that?
Huh?
Why you say it like that? Oh.
Yeah, like, I don't know what Stingy did you think about.
But we're at going home right now. On a little mini date. Nothing serious.
This is the first time that we've been able to spend time all week.
Yeah, because there's a lot that's going on. We got a funeral this whole week. So it was that, and then what else was there?
We've both been working.
Yeah, we both been working, so trying to take time to spend time with each other, you know? You gotta make time for your partner. Isn't that right, honey?
Absolutely. Because if you don't, somebody else will.
And no one else is going to do that.
Exactly.
Yeah, right. She starts crying.
Go to Micah.
No.
That's crazy.
She about to cry. That's that cry thing.
Give me a kiss.
You gotta say, give me a kiss.
Give me a kiss.
Give Mike a kiss.
Why are you being scared?
She's fake.
Cause she don't know how to
Are we
sing.
gonna sing?
Okay, let's sing.
Grandma. Come on.
Sing.
Yeah, they need to get off the freaking way. Oh my god. This might like this. I don't think that works. Come on, Grandma.
Is there a...
Oh, what? Fan? Just gonna pull that out.
Yeah. It just doesn't project these ones.
That's the one that lights up.
Actually, I don't know.
Burn out? I don't know. Yeah, it went out.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Micah. Happy birthday to you.
You gotta blow the candle.
Happy birthday
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Blow out your candles. Blow out your candles. Are you one?
What's melting?
1,
2, 3.
hope you don't mind, but I'm about to dig into some of your cake.
Who?
Oh, I gotta ask you the first infamous question. How's it feel to be one?
Ooh. Just said Miss Harriet.
How's it feel to be one?
Oh, Tay.
How's it feel, boo?
Oh man, that's crazy.
Miss Harriet's gonna cut the plants that she told you was poisonous. That's all.
She said, you know she's talking about.
How you feel? Your sister's daughter is turning on. How you feel?
Big excited, man. Many more years to come. You know what I'm saying?
All right,
Happy. Proud.
There's bacon,
Huh?
pepperoni.
Mustache.
Just 16, man. Just 16. You know what I'm saying? That's like, nah.
Wait, I want to bet you to get a picture of her with you.
Oh man.
No. Alaina.
And for someone who just turned one, you don't really talk much.
Get out of here.
Yeah, come here.
Yummy.
Little girl, your cute face has to give me 8 minutes. Because we don't have to do 10 more for ass. We got to do 8 minutes and then I put my
I was
ass
going
up.
to take a picture of a cake on her face.
Here, take a bite of the pizza too while you got it. Here.
First bite. Oh. And it starts.
Thank you. I got Auntie Grandmama.
I'm going to say, you got to tear it up. And it starts. Y'all going to have her loving pizza.
And bacon.
I had all y'all loving pizza. Here,
Your goddaughter is one.
The soft part?
How you feel?
Well, dang, did I give
Excuse me.
Um,
How you feel? Your
Great.
goddaughter is one.
I need to clean my hands. Go to your uncle.
Right. How you feeling? Your daughter's one.
I'm feeling
Overwhelmed?
Wow, it was much to him.
good.
Feeling the same way you did yesterday?
I made it 1 year.
Oh man, look at that pizza.
That's a good mom.
Shout out to all my good moms out there, no cap. Following her dress.
She gonna eat nothing but the bread.
Not that twisties. That twisties. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I knew you liked me. I knew it.
Does she really?
I think you just try to put her up front.
As soon as I turn the camera on, she don't want to be near you.
Wow. It's once your mom came.
What's up, man?
I only gave you
I get it now. You know?
2 pieces of chicken
I
and
get
pizza
it.
because you don't eat much.
When her mom's not around,
Bacon. You want a pepperoni?
she want to be my friend. My mom is around.
You want to wait?
Yeah.
I just looked at it.
Huh?
She just came to me.
And then you walked
And
in
then
and
you
she
walked in and she said. So I understand what the issue is. And I'll rectify it. I knew you liked me. I knew you liked me. I knew it.
She's never outside.
Her being a good godmother.
No grass having behind. But you know.
Look at her being a good
When my
YouTuber.
Victoria is here. I'll follow her.
You know what I'm saying? Just show y'all a little bit of the vibe, you know what's going on. The mother of the child. Yeah, you know, got that little setup over there. How you feel?
You gotta stop putting the camera.
Huh? What? What's going on?
You know, I'm fine.
Yeah? You know, got a little something.
They might start moving when the tiki's in it.
I'm not gonna front y'all. I wish somebody went out like this with me for my first birthday, but I ain't gonna say much. You see?
Look. You look so pretty. Yo, she's
Not that twisted. That twisted.
not the banging.
You wanna take a picture?
So cute.
Slim thick, she might drug, she might fix, and all of in her head. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Alaina. Happy birthday to you.
Ready? Hit. Yeah!
No, she's like, what? I don't want to.
No, she like, all right.
Wait.
Brand, do me a favor, turn that oven on. In grandma's house.
She turned up. Turned up.
Give us some more kids.
Whoa, grinding till I get a meal. All I want is dollar bills. Stacking higher than some hills. Messing with my cake, probably get you killed.